Hospital. Hospital. I'm going to the hospital to visit my friend. I'm going to the hospital to visit my friend. Appointment. Appointment. I have an appointment with Dr. Smith. I have an appointment with Dr. Smith. Doctor. Doctor. The doctor will see you now. The doctor will see you now. Nurse. Nurse. The nurse will check your blood pressure. The nurse will check your blood pressure. Patient. Patient. The patient is waiting in room 2. The patient is waiting in room 2. Prescription. Prescription. The doctor gave me a prescription for antibiotics. The doctor gave me a prescription for antibiotics. Ambulance. Ambulance. An ambulance took him to the hospital. An ambulance took him to the hospital. Emergency. Emergency. It's an emergency. Call 911. It's an emergency. Call 911. Stethoscope. Stethoscope. The doctor used a stethoscope to listen to my heart. The doctor used a stethoscope to listen to my heart. Diagnosis. Diagnosis. The diagnosis was a mild infection. The diagnosis was a mild infection. Injection. Injection. The nurse gave me an injection. The nurse gave me an injection. Medicine. Medicine. I need to take my medicine twice a day. I need to take my medicine twice a day. Surgery. Surgery. She needs surgery to repair her knee. She needs surgery to repair her knee. Checkup. Checkup. I go for a checkup every year. I go for a checkup every year. Symptoms. Symptoms. Do you have any symptoms? Do you have any symptoms? treatment, treatment. I am receiving treatment for my condition. I am receiving treatment for my condition. Blood test, blood test. I need to have a blood test. I need to have a blood test. X-ray, X-ray. They took an X-ray of my chest. They took an X-ray of my chest. MRI, MRI. I have an MRI scheduled for tomorrow. I have an MRI scheduled for tomorrow. Ultrasound, ultrasound. The doctor performed an ultrasound to check the baby. The doctor performed an ultrasound to check the baby. Thermometer, thermometer. The nurse used a thermometer to take my temperature. The nurse used a thermometer to take my temperature. Wheelchair, wheelchair. He needs a wheelchair to move around. He needs a wheelchair to move around. IV, intravenous. IV, intravenous. I am on an IV drip. I am on an IV drip. Blood pressure, blood pressure. My blood pressure is a bit high. My blood pressure is a bit high. Cast, cast. I have a cast on my arm. I have a cast on my arm. Gauze, gauze. They used gauze to clean the wound. They used gauze to clean the wound. Crutches, crutches. I need crutches to walk. I need crutches to walk. First aid kit, first aid kit. We always keep a first aid kit in the car. We always keep a first aid kit in the car. Allergy, allergy. I have an allergy to peanuts. I have an allergy to peanuts. Infection, infection. The wound is at risk of infection. The wound is at risk of infection. Painkiller. Painkiller. I took a painkiller for my headache. I took a painkiller for my headache. Antibiotic. Antibiotic. The doctor prescribed an antibiotic. The doctor prescribed an antibiotic. Discharge. Discharge. The doctor said I could be discharged tomorrow. The doctor said I could be discharged tomorrow. Anesthesia. Anesthesia. She was given anesthesia before the surgery. She was given anesthesia before the surgery. Recovery. Recovery. The recovery process will take a few weeks. The recovery process will take a few weeks. Brace. Brace. I wear a brace for my injured knee. I wear a brace for my injured knee. Oxygen mask. Oxygen mask. The nurse put an oxygen mask on me. The nurse put an oxygen mask on me. Scalpel. Scalpel. The surgeon used a scalpel during the operation. The surgeon used a scalpel during the operation. Stitches. Stitches. I need stitches for this cut. I need stitches for this cut. Vaccine. Vaccine. Have you gotten your flu vaccine this year? Have you gotten your flu vaccine this year? Bandage. Bandage. They put a bandage on my wound. They put a bandage on my wound.